This is an introduction to the Impact Measurement Guide, a web application from IDinsight. The Impact Measurement Guide provides free DIY resources to help nonprofits and social enterprises use evidence independently for continuous learning and improvement. We are going to walk through one possible user journey to illustrate how a user, say, the head of M&E for a small nonprofit in India, might use these tools to improve their program. The main entry point for new users is the guide, a series of non-technical questions to help you frame the most important questions about your program at each stage and match them to the right method. If my nonprofit is just getting started, the answer to this question might be no. So the guide suggests building a theory of change. This first page helps me frame my theory of change as a simple statement. My program will increase literacy rates by training volunteers to offer remedial education. Next, it turns that sentence into a simple diagram and prompts me to build on it using a drag and drop tool. I can save my progress by creating a user account. Once I have my theory of change ready, I'm prompted to return to the interactive guide. Each subsequent question now refers to my specific theory of change and helps me probe which assumptions might be weak or untested. We want users to keep returning to this over time. To make that easier, I can track my progress and pick up where I left off on my progress page. In this case, the user may have built on that original theory of change by continuing with the decision guide and completing a needs assessment and evidence review. I can pick up where I left off and continue by working on a process evaluation. The step-by-step instructions prompt me to use the interactive tools to choose indicators and draft surveys. This is just one user journey. Users can access and choose between resources in a variety of ways, including jumping straight to specific methods. We want the Impact Measurement Guide to help empower organizations to use evidence more independently to learn and improve. That's why it's free to create an account and access any of these resources.